What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jaden. Today we're gonna continue our Proton Inspira or Mitsubishi lancergt project. So today we are gonna change the LED bulbs in this ceiling lights. So as you can see, the light is dim like that. It's almost dying. Okay, I can barely see my reflection here. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to open the cover and replace the old light bulb to a new one. Okay, so before you start, okay, you need to have a flathead screwdriver. Okay, this is for you to open the cover. Okay, so about the new light bulb, okay, I got mine from Shopee lah. Okay, this is actually 31mm size, 4 individual light bulbs LED. Okay, so the color is white color lah, 6500K. Okay, so this is also energy saving lah. We're gonna replace this with a new one. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna open the cover first. Okay, so if you look at this, okay, you will see a gap, right? So this gap right here is where you insert your screwdriver. Okay, so slowly and gently insert it and start correct inwards. Okay, so this is a plastic. Make sure you push it gently. Slowly correct, and then you will see the cover started coming up. So that's it. Okay, one flathead screwdriver enough for you to remove the cover. So this is the placement of the old LEDs lah. Okay, it is clipped between two metal. Okay, so you need to remove this one first. Okay, so let's try to push this side. Okay, then slowly remove it. Okay, kena tekan sini and then you push it upwards. And then it come out already. Okay, so this is the old light bulbs lah. Then let's open the new one. Okay, then we're gonna insert this back to the same position. Okay, so we start pushing this to the left. Okay, start pushing this to the left. Okay, push it, and then this hand, okay, pull the blade, pull the metal. Okay, when you hear the tug, it means it is working. Okay, so you adjust the LED, make sure it is facing downwards lah. Okay, then we're gonna put back the cover lah. Okay, so come. Okay, so we're gonna insert the cover back to this position first. Okay, so insert it here first, then you slowly push lah. Slowly push the cover back. Done. Okay, center now. Let's try. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Okay, center. Okay, 5-minute works save you around, I think, at least 20 ringgit lah. Okay, kau akan jimat 20 ringgit dengan DIY job ini. So enjoy doing DIY for your car. Okay, so I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.